Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Loginade. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change currency on Airbnb app. To do so, you'll have to first go to your Airbnb app. Once you open your Airbnb app, you'll have to go to your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can tap on your profile, and then once you are in your profile, under settings on the second, you can see payments and payouts. Tap on payments and payouts. From here now, you will have to tap on the top right corner on the dollar sign. Once you tap on that, you can choose the currency that you want to change into. You can scroll down to your various options and then choose one to which you want to change to. Once you choose one, you'll automatically be taken back. This is how you can easily change currency on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.